Hello, friends. If you actually know where that's from, please comment down below because I would love to talk game with you. I love Big Brother.
Hello, friends.
Yeah. I'm literally here, like, no makeup on, no bra on, in crunch mode, because, dude, I'm, like, so stressed. Okay. I move into my sorority house within the next 5 days, okay? Of those 5 days, 2 of which I'm going to be in East Lansing anyway to do so, but I'm not moving in, staying with my big job interview the next day. Then I come all the way back here, pack my car, and then the next morning, get up at 11, I move into the house. But tomorrow, I don't have enough time to pack because I have an appointment where I used to live, which is 45 minutes away. I don't have that much time to pack, and I'm not packing, and I also don't have a video to put up, so I have to film something, and I just... I'm a motherfucking train wreck. So, I guess I'm just gonna time-lapse through this, and it's just gonna be a pack with me, and if I have to stop and, like, and complain, I'm gonna stop and do just that, sis. I hate adulting. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. Okay, let's get on into the video because this is obviously too much. Okay. Okay, let me be 100% clear. I just had to get off the phone. An adult by myself, hate it. Thanks. There's still so much stuff to pack, but at least this side of my room is clean, so we're making somewhat of progress. Also, your girl's going to Prime, so I'm like hella excited. And there's one song that my friends and I, when we went to our first party and we were all together and we were all super happy. Dude, this was the song that came on. It was like the best time of my life. And I get to hear it live with the both of them this year. I'm also listening to my August 2019 playlist. I'll pop that down below, but... I only needed a thumbnail, but this is still going in the video too, because you guys need to see how ridiculous I look for these stupid things. Before this playlist even starts, I do have a pre-prime jam. Woo, that is a mouthful. A pre-prime jams playlist. And if you want to hear some of my favorite EDM songs, there you go. If you're not into it, sorry.
When we're done, you believe God is the one.